Welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro and no outro. It's just this ho. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. But first, girl, okay, I have to show you my newest addition to the Rose Forever family. Holy Kit Kat bar. Can you guys see these? What? I think there's 37 of these roses in a heart-shaped box. Just in time for the holidays too. Girl, it's almost my wedding anniversary, so I am so happy that I got these. They're all on sale. Now, this particular one I checked last night, and they were 40% off. I'm telling you, big, huge savings if you go over to Rose Forever. Use my link, which I will put down in the description box. Easy to find. It'll have a little rose icon beside of it, a little rose emoji. Definitely go over, use my link, and check out all of the cool things that they have. If you are gifting, I got these in about 2 days. Yes, so they ship quickly. As soon as you order them, boom, they go out the door. I love these because, as I've told you before, I got the pink one in October. I got the black hat box with, I believe I got 18 roses on that one in the blue, in that beautiful blue color. They're up here. But yeah, I got those, and they have lasted since, I want to say the first, maybe around May. They still look brand new. These will last for up to a year. No water, no sunlight, no, you don't ever have to mess around with these. We can just admire these as roses should be. And then in 2 weeks, we're not going to have a bunch of dead, sad roses looking in our face that we have to throw out. And then you know that hard-earned money is just flushed down the toilet. Not literally, but in the trash. I can't deal with that. No, I will never go back to regular flowers and roses again. It's Rose Forever for me. Forever! Seriously, so go down there, check it out. They graciously sent me these just in time for the holidays and also time for my anniversary. I am so excited. I will display these as I have my other ones all over my house proudly. Girl, check it out and use my code Winnie20 to get $20 off. A bargain! Yes! I have a mother effing collab with Yota of Yota Style. She's gonna try to tell y'all she's the queen. Don't let her run that down on y'all, guys. Please don't. I mean, who am I to say? If Yota wants to be the queen, girl, go ahead. I mean, you are the queen then. There you go. I said it. Let's just get beyond this, guys. Anyway, I have on a Christmas shirt today that I actually bought 2 or 3 Christmases ago. And you know how I know this? The words are stretched out and now they're back to normal. But you can tell they've been stretched to their maximum. And so when I bought this, I was a little heavier, and also I had not had a breast reduction at the time. So, I mean, the words, they say I still believe, but now they say I don't even know. Like, they're all not even a word. Maybe some foreign word. Ooh, I hope it's something nasty. Anyhow, guys, I hope you guys are going to go over to Yota's channel after this. Anyway, the collab is Burberry. Yes, Burberry is back, especially like the plaid. I think it went away for a couple years, but people are buying it again. I've seen unboxings, okay? I've seen it online. It's happening. There's a resurgence of it. Okay, I'm hoping that's true. I don't know 100%, but I know Yota and I, and even Lisa recently of Lisa Loves Bags, bought Burberry, I can't say it, Burberry in the Novacek or whatever it's called. Their signature plaid. Okay, I will tell you some backstory before I've already unboxed this item. I bought this item in October. I put it on Fashion File Reserve. I got it out probably 3 weeks ago, and I've had it a couple weeks just sitting downstairs waiting for someone to do a collab with me. And Yota said, yes, she's going to be reviewing her Burberry item, and I'm going to show you mine and review it. Now, this item I've had on my wish list for 3 or 4 years, since I think it's no longer, they don't make this anymore. I think they made it a few years ago, and then they sold it as a children's item. And I fell in absolute love with it. You'll see why. But I saw it come up last year, a little over a year ago, on Fashion File, and I was just like, oh, it's always going to be there. Nobody wants that. Yes, everybody did want it. So it came up again, and I was swooping in with the quickness. I had put an alert on there. I was like, if this comes back, she's getting it. And I did get it. The thing about this item is it was only $450. I know only $450 should not go in the same sentence, but in the realm of really expensive luxury right now, I felt like that was not a bridge too far and something that I could pay off in 2 months. Anyway, I did it. Okay, here we go. She's right here, girl. Can you tell by the shape of this bag what it is? It is a backpack, I'll just tell you. I have gotten out of buying backpacks and wearing backpacks, but I feel like we probably will do a little bit of traveling next year. I mean, I'm hoping desperately that we do, because I've been sitting at home for, this will be the 3rd year. I've not gone anywhere. I think the last trip we took was a little beach trip with the whole family, and I gotta go out, guys. I gotta get out of this house, okay? But I bought this for the sheer fact, and I sold almost all of my backpacks in the past year. So, I bought this one in hopes that I will travel and St. Nick will soon be here. Both of those things I really hope for. But this is him showing up a little early. Oh, yes, girl. Autumn spin on this big monster. Huh? It was in brand new, excellent condition, never ever carried. The bottom is like a pebbled, grained type leather. And what got me about this backpack was, of course, the Burberry rainbow lettering. Ah, yes, please. Y'all know I'm a sucker. I am an absolute sucker for this. And it's so very soft. Of course, it's canvas, or I guess they call this canvas. It's actually, what do they call this? Because it's kind of the trench coat material. It's very like a raincoat. I don't think they would call that. I'm stupid. Okay, guys, tell me down below what you think it is. I guess I could look. Embroidered logo backpack. It doesn't say. I'm probably sure that it says it on the inside. It's got the quilting back here, so that, you know, it'll sit up against your back fine. And it looks like it's kind of a wicking type material, that, because let's face it, you do sweat in the hot sun, especially in places like Las Vegas and Florida. Anywhere traveling like that, I mean, you sweat with a backpack on. And I sort of appreciate that that webbing stuff is on the back. So, yeah, I like that. Got a little place for your name. Now, listen, if you guys left this somewhere sitting at a terminal, would it? Seriously. If you love something, let it go. If it comes back to you, it was always yours, right? That old saying, if it doesn't, it never was. I'm going to bet you $100 it never was, because you are losing that for good. But just for grins and gigs, put your nameplate in there, your little luggage tag or something. You ain't seeing this again if you leave it somewhere. Okay. But anyhow, I just love it. Brand new. I mean, it's in perfect condition. Oh man, it's so gorgeous. Yeah, I'm keeping this. let's see about the inside. Because that's what we're doing today. We are reviewing our Burberry. Yes, girl, yes. Okay, so it came with the booklet. I wonder if the little textile card is in here. I'm sure it is. I didn't check things out. As y'all know, I'm too lazy to do any kind of prepping. That's way too easy. I like to do things on the fly. Yeah, because I'm lazy. All right, let's see. So there are some... I've got my phone here. Sorry. But there are some pockets inside. This is like a black hole, guys. You can't really see in there. I know now that you can't. But anyway, there is a big zippered pocket here. And it's got your tag inside. I was trying to see what the material was. I'm crazy, guys. Anyway, and it's got the Burberry patch in there. Burberry patch. It has some, I guess this could be used as a book bag. I'm assuming that's probably what this is for a kid. Because it's got a place for your pens and your, you know, your calculators, your weed if you're a child. I don't know. If you're a college kid, sorry. To those watching that are in college, you guys are kids to me. So anybody under the age of 40 is a kid to me, let's face it. So yeah. Let me see. Oh, okay, here's a little made in patch that's got some serial numbers on it, I guess, to tell when it was made and all that good stuff, and its authenticity. Silver hardware on the zipper with the red on the little pull tab over here, right here, and the little loop that holds onto it. I guess you could put, you know, a little luggage tag on. I mean, sky's the limit. I guess I could use that luggage tag. I could. I'm totally traveling with this next year. That has got to happen. Smells brand new, guys. It does not stink. You know, the smell test. We've got to do the smell test. So I felt like this was, I guess, a kid's backpack, but it's kind of big. I mean, I don't know. I think it's a full-grown person's backpack. Well, it is now. Let's see. Oh, yes. Let me see, guys. I've got on my sweat, so I don't want to get up. Ooh. Now, remember I got rid of that beautiful MCM backpack, and I got rid of the Louis Vuitton backpack as well, the Macassar black and monogram that I had. I also bought those from Fashion File. Loved them, but they were a little heavy and a little big. This is very, very light. The only thing that makes it heavy is just this leather around the bottom, and I can deal with that. I mean, it's going to be on my back, guys. Where I'm at most of the time. Oh, she did it. Yes. It would not be a Winnie B. LV video if I didn't try to be nasty 50% of the time. Sorry, guys. Anyhow, what do you guys think? I love this. I'm sorry, but I love the check. I just always have. I just think it's classic. It's timeless. You know, when people say that, that's what I was telling somebody that. Maybe I told that in one of Amelia Rose's comments one day. She was talking about people saying, oh, that's basic, that's done. That's, when I hear people say that, I just automatically think, well, that must be a timeless piece, because people who throw around the word like basic and it's over and it's done, I don't think those people really know what's up. I think what they're trying to say is, oh yeah, that piece is timeless. It really is. I love. Hopefully you do too. What do you think? I did a good thing this time, right? Yes, girl, yes. And the best part about it is she's paid for. It warms my heart to say those words, guys. Oh, yeah. Do me a favor. Head on over to Yota Style. I will link her video. She's doing Vlogmas, so it's part of her Vlogmas extravaganza. So get on over there and check out what she got, and she'll review her Burberry purchase. And check that out. Also, if you don't mind, do me a huge solid, guys. head on down there and hit that subscribe button. Like, give me a gift this year. That is your gift to me, actually. Just hit the subscribe, hit the like, comment down below. If I don't get back to your comment right away, it will happen. Unless YouTube eats the comment and I find it like 5 months later, and then I'll still comment on it because that's who I am. I'm crazy like that. Anyway, have yourself a great rest of what's left of the week. I will be back here on the weekend, probably Sunday this time since it's Thursday already. Probably on Sunday. I have a lot of good things coming up. I have a piece from Coach coming in, and I have like a little mini haul from Coach. Hopefully that is my next video. And remember, guys, if y'all see my husband though, shh, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Okay, guys, if y'all been noticing, I'm trying to beat my face every time I do a video, and I keep noticing that the skin around my eyes, like my eyelid skin, is very like not what it used to be. It's very wrinkly and saggy, and it's hard to even drag a line across it without it bunching up. And I swear, did I read this or did I hear this, that your eyelid skin is kind of like the same skin as your old girl, or like maybe like the same as a guy's dangly bits, like Christmas ornaments down? I mean, did I just imagine that, or is that a real thing? I mean, because I think it's true, and I hope not. Poor Bill. I mean, it's a wrinkly mess down there, girl. I mean, seriously, as if the term cockeyed couldn't get more offensive. Okay, Yota. Fine, have it your way. You're the queen, beesh.